Afro Day, sponsored by Pantene UK. Now it's a global movement. And hello to everybody on the live stream. All hairdressers will be required to be trained in Afro hair. Thais Vinolo, she is a French pre-professional ballerina all the way from Boston, USA. Tashara, we made it to World Afro Day. Hi!
Hi, everybody. I'm so happy to be here.
My name is Maya Glitters and I'm a fashion blogger.
Alice Deering, the first black female swimmer to represent Britain in the Olympics in Tokyo.
It's been crazy, I'm not going to lie. I used to relax my hair for basically all my life.
I'm determined to win a gold medal at the future Olympics.
We've introduced the Afro Master Quiz.
Thank you to all of the young people and children and teachers from across the world who support the Big Hair Assembly.